To deactivate your Messenger account on an iPhone or Android device, start by opening the Messenger app. Tap the menu button in the top left corner to access the menu. Then select the gear icon in the top right to open the settings. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and select Meta Account Center. Next, choose See More in Account Center and scroll down to Account Settings, where you'll select Personal Details. Under Personal Details, tap Account Ownership and Control at the bottom. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Since Messenger is linked to Facebook, deactivating your Messenger account requires deactivating your Facebook account. Choose the Facebook account associated with Messenger. Ensure Deactivate Account is selected, and tap Continue. You'll then need to enter your Facebook password and specify a reason for deactivation by choosing an option, e.g., selecting the first one. Proceed to the next step where you can manage settings such as downloading post archives or setting a reactivation time period. By default, Facebook will reactivate your account after 7 days, but you can select Don't Reactivate Automatically to keep the account deactivated indefinitely. Once you've made your selections, tap Continue again. A final confirmation screen will appear indicating your Messenger account will be deactivated. Select Deactivate My Account, and the app will confirm the deactivation and log you out. If you wish to reactivate your Messenger account in the future, simply log back into the associated Facebook account through the Messenger app.